Hey guys, so today I want to go over how to install a can light. So as you can see here, this can light slides on the tracks. So these brackets right here are made to go flush with your roof joist, and it ain't got to be perfect, but whenever you put this flush, see that lip on that can light? That lip is the thickness of your drywall. So that bottom of that track is the same as this deck on this can light. So just put your forward leg supports on there, make sure they're straight so you can slide your light. And then whenever you put your wire in, I leave a loop. That way the homeowner or whoever does the drywall can move the light wherever they want it, and then put the drywall up. As far as wiring, you see here in the top, I've got these Romex connectors. This is just a threaded Romex connectors. All it is, it tightens down and holds the wire. I got 2 of those, and I've got a wire in and a wire out to the from the light before to the next light. So you tie all your blacks together, tie all your whites together, and tie all your grounds together. And then you just simply pop the cover back on it. So I believe the cover for this, not sure what I did with the cover, so I'll have to find the cover, but the cover just snaps in there. So if you've got any questions about installing a can light, let me know. Once you get your light in place where you want it, tighten that screw down right there, and that holds it in place. But yeah, you just snap that cover on there and that's done. Now as far as the tools that I'm using today, because I know everybody likes to see the tools, let me get down off this ladder and I'll show you. So first things first, this is another one of the Klein quick release modular tool pouches, and I'm using a wire stapler. I'll put a link in the description where you can get a good wire stapler at. I'm using a set of automatic strippers. I'll put a link in the description for the Kleins. They're just automatic, got a bunch of different sizes on them. Whenever you squeeze the handle, it strips the wire for you. I've got a Klein Phillips screwdriver. It's made by Klein Tools. I have a set of Klein linemans. I have a Klein utility knife with the screwdriver on it. And then I just have a very cheap solid shaft flathead screwdriver. That's for beating the knockouts out of the boxes. So again, this video is about how to wire a can light. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Be sure to hit the subscribe button over here in the corner. That's the best way to help our channel and so you don't miss any of our future videos. And this is another in our series of how to wire a house. So hopefully this is helping somebody out, and stay tuned for all of our videos in the future. And if you enjoy this kind of stuff, please hit the like button. It helps us out. And that's it. Check the description for the links to the tools used, and y'all have a great day.